It is about 15% contained now. People in southern Oregon are also dealing with smoke in the air from the fire, and experts say the smoke can travel far, fast. Elise Haas has a look at how you can prepare.
Summer smoke and hazy days are just ahead. As wildfire season kicks off in parts of southern Oregon and southeastern Washington, scientists say wildfire smoke will adversely affect millions of people and cause a spike in premature deaths. According to researchers, the smoke is reducing our air quality and polluting the air up to hundreds, even thousands of miles away. Washington epidemiologists are learning just how bad the microscopic particles in the smoke is for our health.
And we know that those smaller particles have the potential to get deeper in your respiratory tract, where they can cause other problems, and they can even show up in other parts of your body, right, in circulation.
According to the Environmental Protection Agency, over the past decade, as many as 2,500 people annually died prematurely in the U.S. from short-term wildfire smoke exposure. If your area is affected by wildfire smoke, public officials are urging you to keep your indoor air clean.
Don't contribute to indoor air pollution. So don't do things like smoking or burning candles or incense. Don't vacuum unless you have a HEPA filter on your vacuum.
Keep windows and doors closed. Run an air conditioner or use an air cleaner. Limit time and exercise outdoors. Even consider leaving the area if the air quality is poor. If you have to be outside, then think about wearing an N95 or N100 mask.
It's really a challenge because a lot of the steps that we recommend for reducing exposures take a lot of work on the part of individuals.
But do this now, health officials say, to stay healthy and safe. Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.